What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rhino Review Stuff. I'm Rhino and I review stuff. And as you may have noticed, I have had a lot of issues with my audio lately. Ever since I moved to the new part of my little studio area here, things have just been sounding kind of weird. Part of that is because of Windows 11 and their weird audio enhancement features that are automatic whenever they do a Windows update. And then you got to go in and turn them off, and sometimes you don't know until you've listened to your audio a few times. And you're like, wait a minute, my audio sucks. Back there, I had acoustic panels on the wall, and they really helped dampen the sound. Over here, I've got no acoustic panels. I've actually got a curtain on the wall that I really hoped would help. It didn't help very much. But guess what I got right now? I've got acoustic panels. In this box, I've got 24 square foot of art acoustic panels from BUBOS. They are 4 foot long and they are 12 inches tall, so they should be able to easily cover up my mirror or my window back there, and I will have extras to put over on the other side to block my computer noises. So this is exactly what I've been looking for, and yeah, I'm just not in the mood to make them myself. So let's check out what's in the box. And I'm going to get these all set up, and I bet you're going to hear a significant change in the audio. These are significantly heavier than I thought they were going to be. I am genuinely shocked. They do appear to be very, very thick felted material. These are going to be the type that you're going to put some tape on the back of them and attach them to the wall. You could also use nails and attach them that way. I don't really want to ruin the surface, so I've got some of that double-sided 3M reusable tape stuff. Well, that's how I'm going to get that up there. So checking these things out, the black panels are completely black. They are wrapped in cloth, so you're not going to get any weird threading or anything coming off of that, so that's nice. Each one probably weighs about a pound. This right here is the white, and it is kind of a marbled texture. It kind of looks like, the black fuzz has leached out onto this, but looking at the pictures on their website, I am pretty sure this is what it's supposed to be. It's just kind of a white marbled look, and I think that looks pretty swell. Okay, putting them up now, I promise. And after about 5 minutes, I've got those acoustic panels mounted up. You are hearing unfiltered audio after placing those panels. I've got 4 of them on the wall next to me. Actually, I've got 3 of them on the wall next to me. I've got one over here blocking the computer noise. I've got one on this door over here and another on that door over there. So I can imagine, even unfiltered, this has made quite the difference. What do you think? The audio you are hearing right now is the straight out of the microphone audio without any acoustic paneling. And this is after. Again, this is before acoustic paneling, and this is my voice talking with the acoustic panels on. And before acoustic paneling is right here. This is me talking with no acoustic paneling. These are the acoustic panels, and this is my voice. There once was a man from Nantucket with, whoa there, Rhino, we don't want to have none of that. And this is what you can expect to hear for the rest of my videos moving forward. I've got the panels placed up. I've got some filters running on OBS. That's a noise cancellation filter. I've also got a compressor, and I've got a little bit of gain going on. And those are the only filters that I've added with these acoustic panels. I think this is some pretty darn good audio. It makes such a huge difference. It really takes out some of that echo that we were getting before I put these acoustic panels in. Even just to my naked ear, hearing myself speak right now, I'm not hearing all that bounce back from the different hard surfaces that were at one point surrounding me. And I really like having this one here next to the computer because it does block out a substantial portion of the noise coming out of that computer. Of course, there's no fans on this side. I wouldn't do something silly like that, but it is kind of blocking what's coming out of the back of the case, and I really do like that. This is pretty darn good audio at an excellent price. Yes, I could have made some of these myself, and I had actually bought some materials to do so, but the time, the patience, the energy, and the rest of the money just wasn't there. So I kind of cheated, and I got some off of Amazon. And this is them. I like them. I definitely approve. And if you were looking for a pretty inexpensive solution, BUBOS here, or BUBOS, or whatever you want to call them, they've got a lot of really cool acoustic panels on their Amazon page. I went with the 4-foot ones. They also have like the honeycomb shape. They've got traditional square shape. But because these aren't the, blue and black squares like I've got right back there, they actually make a big difference. And I'm very impressed. Thank you very much. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will leave a link down there in the description. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And I will see you all later. Bye.